What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel once again. Jungle the outdoors. And guys, you know I always say I like it wet, wild and dirty. Finally I get myself out from the house, get a little break from my job, and decided to start it off after all this promises and procrastinating that I will get out and start back doing my vlogs. Hey guys, that makes me sound kind of lazy, but finally I am on the trail. So what I'm doing is visiting an old trail that I did many times. So I'm just heading off to go there again, and I'm be taking you guys to one of my favorite spot, and that's one of the waterfalls up in Adelphi area. You can see the sky is very beautiful behind me right now. It's a bright and sunny day, and of course I'm going to get me some adventures. So if you know like this kind of things, don't forget to stick around. Some kind of looks like a breadfruit, but not a breadfruit. It's a huge, whatever it is. I don't know if you can see that in the frame right there. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit on that one there. Yeah, right to the center of the frame there. Yeah, I really don't know what kind of a fruit that is. Yeah, many on the ground, and they have some type of seeds. Some kind of seeds. Really, I don't know what it is, but it sure looks like the monkeys are having a good time with them. I must say it's a very beautiful day, guys. Look at the sun. It's bright and beautiful on the outside. No rain, and we should be in the rainy season at this time, but it's very sunny. Mangoes everywhere. We got another great good looking mangoes, lovely mangoes. You can see that right there. Hope we can focus there a little bit. Mangoes everywhere, guys. adventures and want to get out with me, just leave a comment down at the bottom. Simply say wet, wild and dirty, jungle D, outdoors. Love you guys. Let's enjoy the rest of it.